Hey, you guys, my website, www.scentfullydivine.com, is now up and running. We have eco-friendly candles and wax melts available now on our website. If you'd like to shop, just visit the website. And as you are there, please also join our newsletter so that you can receive new updates and also coupon codes. Hey you guys, it's your girl Kelsey Janae. Welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, I am back with another awesome video, a short video at that. And I will be showing you guys how to make a quick, easy, and tasty vegan cornbread. So I'm not going to go into any details right now in this intro. I'm just going to go ahead and wash my hands and let's get started. All right, y'all, now that we washed our hands, let's get these ingredients together. First, we have a vegan butter that you're going to line your baking dish with. Then we have salt. We have all-purpose flour. I used unbleached. We have a can of sweet golden corn, which is optional, by the way. Have a can of baking powder. We have grapeseed oil. You can use whatever oil you like, whatever vegetable oil. I like grapeseed oil. We have some unsweetened cashew milk. And we have yellow cornmeal. And last but certainly not least, we have granulated sugar. Okay, next we're going to grab our mixing bowl with, you can use a spoon or a whisk. I'm using a whisk here. First, we'll be adding 1 1/4 cup of your flour. Then we'll be adding 1 cup of the yellow cornmeal. Then you'll add 2/3 cups of granulated sugar. Then you add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, you want to mix your dry ingredients really well. Then you're going to add in 1 1/4 cup of the unsweetened cashew milk. Then you'll add in 1/3 cup of the grapeseed oil. Then you want to thoroughly mix your batter. Now here, this step again is optional because the corn is optional, but I like to rinse and drain my corn. All right, next we want to grab our baking dish. I lined mine with aluminum foil because I wanted to make it easier on the cleanup. I was cooking other things that day. I've already greased it really well with the vegan butter. And at this point, because it was optional, I had already folded my corn into my batter. So now I am ready to pour the batter into the baking dish. You want to make sure you get all of that batter out of that bowl and into your baking dish. Now we're ready to place our cornbread into the oven, which has been preheated at 400 degrees. And you're going to cook it from 20 to 25 minutes until it is a nice golden color on top. After your cornbread is done and taken out of the oven, this is what it should look like, nice and golden. Make sure you stick a toothpick in there and pull it out. And if it comes out clean, it is done. Now we can serve and enjoy. Here I'm showing you a piece of the cornbread square that is sitting on top of my fully vegan Thanksgiving plate. All right, you guys, we have reached the end of this recipe video. I hope you guys get a chance to make the cornbread. It turned out really, really tasty. It had the perfect sweetness to it. If you like, you can also make it gluten-free by using a flour like a chickpea flour or something like that instead of an all-purpose flour like I used. Either way, it will turn out really, really good. It has the perfect texture. Now, I know, to me, I think it's like a southern thing because I've never noticed this before until I moved to Georgia, but adding corn to it, it just brings out a different texture for it. Like I said, it already has a really good texture to the cornbread, but that corn just brought out a different texture and different taste. It just really, really good to me. I really, really liked it. Now, I want you guys to know, I have not made a recipe video in years, and I think over like 5 years. So I know this is kind of janky, but don't fault me because it's been forever. I'm just trying to get back into the swing of it. But like I said, I hope you guys are able to try this really, really tasty and really, really good vegan vegan cornbread. Is so good, y'all. But I want to thank you guys so very much for watching my video. I hope that you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And when you subscribe, please hit the notification bell so when I post the videos, you guys will be notified. Deuces.